Okay, greetings. Today I will be showing you how to make a resource pack for the Java edition of Minecraft. I've been making resource packs for a while, and I just thought I'd share basically the basics of it. So first of all, the programs you're going to need Minecraft Java edition. You're going to need an image editing software like paint.net, but you find it at getpaint.net. Again, I will be leaving everything in the description that you need. And a file extractor such as 7-zip. I'm going to be using 7-zip for this, again, in the description if you don't have it yet. So first of all, we're going to need to go into the .minecraft folder. If you do not know where that is, you go to %appdata, open that, go to Minecraft, and there it is. I'd recommend you bookmark this folder. But for those of you who do know that, you can. So the first thing you want to do is you go into your versions, and you want to select the version you want. For this example, we will be using the latest version of Minecraft as of now. So we will copy this file, which is the 1.16.5, and we will make a new folder on the desktop for it. So we will call this pack project, or something like that. It doesn't have to be that. It's just a placeholder. Now what we have to do is press paste on it. And there we go. There's our file. So what we do is we take this, we take the jar file, right? And it doesn't need to be named anything, but we take the jar file and we go 7-zip, extract here. Now this will tell 7-zip that we want our files to be extracted. So click that and 7-zip should extract absolutely everything. If we did it right, of course. So all this is great and all, but we actually only need one thing. This. We need this project part. So I'd actually recommend deleting everything else except that, now that you've extracted it. There we go. So inside the assets folder, you go into, you're on your project, double click on assets, go inside Minecraft, textures. Now, textures is where you're going to find everything, so make sure to, I'd actually recommend you bookmark that as well. You can do that by pin to quick access. There we go. But you go to, let's say block right now, and let's just pick up block. Let's say cobblestone. There we go. So this is our cobblestone. It looks good. It looks good right now until we metal with it. So this is where the image editing program comes in. Basically, we can make this look like whatever we want. So we're just going to make this as an example texture. Put smiley face here. Ooh, angry. It's angry. Okay, there we go. So then we click save, and none of this really matters. If your pack is a higher quality pack, I recommend putting it at the highest setting. But paint.net does actually a really great job of gauging how good you want it. You're going to want to leave interlaced off. Leave that unchecked. Or just click defaults if you're unsure. There we go. Now that we've done that, now we're actually going to want to go back. Go back to the pack projects folder. And we're actually going to need 2 more files, believe it or not. So let me just find them. Aha. So you are going to need 2 files named pack.mcmeta and pack.png. Pack.mcmeta basically tells the computer, hey, this is a resource pack. This is what it's supposed to do. So again, I will have this in the description if you need to download this. But if you're wondering how to make it, you go new text documents. And basically you copy and paste this. Again, this will be in the description. You do this, and then basically in your file explorer, you're actually going to want to say enable file extensions. So in your file explorer, you're gonna go view file name extensions. That will allow you to customize what something is called. So we are going to save this as an mcmeta file. So we're going to click all files, make sure that's clicked, so see all the other files that's showing up. So pack.mcmeta. And basically, once we save that, that will override it. And there we go. That's how you make that. Pack.png is simply the thumbnail image for your pack. This is one of mine that I made, but for the purposes of this video, we will be converting the colors. Very nice. I meant that sarcastically. That does not look nice. Anyways, so you've extracted the files. You've went in. You've edited a few blocks. You know, I suggest just editing one or two just to make sure it works. Once you're sure that everything's ready, drag these together, right-click, and go Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. Basically, that will take everything that we've worked on and bake it into one single file. Believe it or not, this is how you actually make the physical pack. So we just wait for that to finish. So how's your day going? All right. So then we name this your pack, and it can be named anything. Again, it's all up to you. You have all the freedoms here. But then, yeah, but that's pretty much it. Then we go back into Minecraft, and again, if you did not know this, what you do is you go to resource packs, and you drag that in. Now here comes the funnest part. We actually get to test it out. So launch Minecraft. You know, make sure it matches up with the same version you're doing. Also, another thing I should probably mention about this folder. Pack. Oh dear. Sorry about that. My computer friends like to do that sometimes. Pack format is incredibly useful. Basically, this will determine if a pack is out of date or not. If you're making a pack in the 1.16 release of Minecraft, you're going to want to use 6. If you're using a version of Minecraft that is 1.8.9 or lower, you are going to want to set it as 1. For the purposes of this, we're going to leave it at 6. But yeah. Now that you're in the actual game, you go to Options, Resource Packs, insert that. It'll have the little loading screen. Now, for the example of this, yeah, okay. So one thing, you're going to want to make your own background, because right now it's going to default to gray. We're going to go into this really well-named world right here. Just give it a minute to load. And let's see if it worked. There it is. There's your beautiful cobblestone texture. And again, you can just keep going and editing every single texture in the game. It'll take you a while. And again, this video isn't really a tutorial on how to make packs look good or how packs actually work. I'm hoping to save that for a future video. And if you guys are having trouble with any of this, if something went wrong and you aren't currently seeing an angry smiling face, just leave it in the comments. I'll try to get back to you guys, because I do want to get better at making videos, and I do want to help you guys out with this project. That being said, I apologize for the video not being the strongest of mine, but I did my best to put my skills into... Oh, hi, Pig. I did my best to put my skills into a short video like this so you guys could try it out for yourselves. Again, if you're having any trouble with anything, just leave it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you. Anyways, that's going to be about it for this video. See you guys later.